Living in a region that sees extreme weather types, we all know how dirty our cars get. When the weather shifts from winter months to spring months, you want to do a thorough cleaning, a spring cleaning, do a thorough wash, okay? But you want to use something like our strip wash to thoroughly remove road salts, magnesium chloride, or just heavy dirt and grime altogether. The next thing you want to do is decon your car, decontaminate your car. Now, use the iron remover to attack the particles that are actually inside your paint. Use a clay bar, which is more of a mechanical decon, to remove any bonded contamination or the protrusions from that iron fallout. What's the next thing you want to do? Well, a one-step polish. Now, when you do a winter prep, you apply a graphene ceramic coating. You apply a ceramic coating to your vehicle. So when you're going through winter, you're actually going to acquire some damage on your ceramic coating, okay? It's just natural when you go through those harsh months. So you're gonna get surface level scratches on your ceramic coating. The best way to remove those is going to be using a one-step polish, okay? The fourth thing you want to do is apply graphene protection. Not only does it protect it and really preserve the finish of your vehicle, but because of the really dynamic hydrophobic properties, it makes cleaning your car in the spring and summer much easier.